belong to somebody else. And that's on me, ride around town in the SRT.
Y'all see it. Today we're going to show y'all the most effective way to change your rim colors and while still being cheap and saving some money. Let's get it. It's looking clean today though. Cannot lie. Looking clean today. Got your guy detailed. But we going to get them guys black. Pretty sure it's going to look 100 times better. Let's get it. Well, we're gonna go ahead and I decided to do the Plasti-dip for the car rims, and that just being because I don't know if I want to keep it permanently black or not, and I really don't want to mess with the integrity of the rims. Plus, that'll add a protecting coat, you know, kind of harden up where all the little curb scratches is and rashes and everything. But we're gonna go ahead with the Plasti-dip here. You see it before. We already masked it off. Hands are really dirty. We gotta wipe the rims down next. We should be pretty good, but we masked out all four sides. We got one wheel down, and look at all that from 1 days of driving. That's just one wheel. We got 3 more to go. You don't want to rush this part because it's most important. If you don't at all wipe it down, what's going to happen is it's going to be dirt in the Plasti-dip, and it could very well peel. That's going to be sprayed on there. It's going to bind with the dirt, so it could leave gaps and everything in your work, and that is not a good look. So then we put this, let it warm up for a little bit. It's hot water. I'm gonna let that one can warm up for a little bit. Reason being because when it's warmer, it sprays easier. I don't know how to explain it really, but it sprays easier and the coverage of it is better than when it's cold. So this is what I like to do before shaking up and go ahead and starting. So I used to do this quite often, so that's why I have everything ready. You want to keep a safe distance back, evenly get everywhere. It's kind of windy today. You don't want to spray too much because you want to give it time. You want to do it in layers. You want to give it time to stick to each other. You don't want to make it too wet. So we're going to let that sit for about 15 minutes. That's all the coverage that you have to do. You don't have to really try to get everything in one go because the best work is not made like that. Okay, just checking that that's stained on there and not dirt. All right, I'll keep you guys updated as I go along. I try to do about 1 bottle per wheel. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, and I got a top coat of gloss. Let's see how that does. All right, guys, catch you later, man. We did it. Looks pretty good. I'm gonna show y'all again in the morning. Yes, sir. It's the next morning. Top of the morning. Top of the morning. Man, we did this guy though. Get y'all close up. Did pretty good. I like how that black on red looks. But we got it done. Hands messed up as crap. We went over it a few more times this morning just because of the fact that overnight it was really cold, so some of it kind of got messed up, so I had to even out some imperfections in it. But you know, overall probably imperfections that only I'm going to be able to tell, but I love it. It looks better, so much better. Appreciate y'all tuning in. Short little video, just Plasti-dip the car, the rims on it. Man, I had fun doing it. Let me know if y'all got any questions. Like, comment, subscribe as always. Dislike if you need to, but we out.